Now, it's been way too long and so much has happened, so let me walk you through it and what's around the corner with Raizly. Well, direct debit is now established in Raizly and it's allowing you to develop some great new strategies in engaging regular donors. So I reckon switching this on is sure to earn you a coffee with your accounts team. You can now create a seamless experience also for workplace engagement campaigns. And this is because of the release of the new organization profile. This is one I absolutely love and it's making a huge difference for those running school campaigns or corporate partnerships. So make sure you check out the workshop for more of the info in the description below. Now, if you haven't seen it already, Raizly has received a fresh coat of paint with Raizly 4 being released, but this is not just an aesthetic, it's the start of many upcoming rollouts with an advanced UI across the platform. This will be making Raizly even more enjoyable to use and equip your team on. And behind the scenes, Raizly has also been doing something quite special. After being asked for so many years whether we would offer a service to build amazing campaigns for incredible organizations like you, well, we've finally done it. Over the past 6 months, we've worked with the likes of Scouts, Salvation Army, Compassion Australia, Caritas, and quite a few more, building out amazing campaigns for them in Raizly. Now, jumping into your shoes has helped us think through new features that we could be adding and new ways of building campaigns that we could be teaching, all helping Raizly continue to be the leading fundraising platform for digital fundraising. So if you're looking for support within this, why don't just get in touch? The details will be in the description below. Now, coming up, we'll be focusing on how you can acquire and nurture regular givers, and we'll be rolling out some fresh new updates with Raizly 4. So be sure to check out all the content here to help you create, fundraise, and grow. And don't forget to subscribe so you're the first to know what's happening with Raizly. But until next time, enjoy fundraising with Raizly.